In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep tabs open in Microsoft Edge after closing. If you've ever closed your browser and wished all your tabs would come back exactly as you left them, this setting is for you. We're going to turn on a simple option in Microsoft Edge that automatically restores your previous session so you can pick up right where you stopped without hunting through history. First, open Microsoft Edge. With the browser up, look to the top right corner for the three dots. That's the menu button. Click it to open the menu, then select Settings. This takes you to the main settings page for Edge. On the left-hand sidebar of Settings, click Start, Home, and New Tabs. This section controls what Edge shows when it opens, what happens with the Home button, and what appears on new tabs. We'll focus on the startup behavior. Find the area labeled When Edge Starts, sometimes shown as On Startup, depending on your version. Under that, choose the option called Open Tabs from the previous session. Selecting this tells Edge to remember your open tabs and windows when you close the browser. That's it. From now on, when you close Edge and reopen it, your tabs and any separate windows you had open will automatically be restored. No extra clicks, no prompts. Your browsing session will be right there. A few helpful notes. This setting applies to the profile you're using, so if you have multiple profiles in Edge, set it for each one where you want this behavior. In-private windows aren't restored for privacy reasons, so anything you browse in in-private mode won't come back next time. If the browser or your computer crashes, Edge typically offers to restore your last session, but enabling this option gives you reliable automatic restoration after normal closes. On work or school-managed devices, your organization may control startup settings. If you don't see the option available, that could be why. And if you had a very large number of tabs, give Edge a moment after reopening to load everything in the background. You're all set. Now you can close Edge with confidence, knowing your workspace will reappear when you return. Thanks for watching.